Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz. I just got done shooting a brand new video for you. I'm going to show you in a little bit where I expose and reveal a new KDP coloring book niche. I also show you how to create the interiors, I show you how to create the cover. Plus, I'm going to show you how to get the exact same assets I'm using in this video and a bunch of other really cool bonuses that I created myself to help you earn online with KDP printables and PODs, print on demand products. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more tutorials and guides just like this one. Let's begin. Okay, so let's get started. First off, we're gonna discover this really cool niche I found. Actually, I found several sub niches within this niche, okay? Now this keyword I'm giving to you is a ripe one. I'm gonna show you everything. Check this out. Puppy coloring books for girls ages 8 to 12. It's a search volume of 102, okay? And if you go to Amazon, and I show you at the very top, I'm in the books category, puppy coloring books for girls ages 8 to 12, our keyword exact. Check it out, under 1,000, which means to us, if you've been watching any of my videos, oh, by the way, this is your first time visiting, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Mike Paz, and I make all types of videos when it comes to KDP, affiliate marketing, different ways to earn online passively. Anyways, check this out, under 1,000, this is what we consider a low competition keyword. You get a nice trickle of traffic, and like I show you here, very low competition. Okay, now that we have this low comp word, keyword, what do we do next? Well, we create our book, okay? And the cool thing is you can create a book, a KDP book, low content book, puzzle book, activity book, coloring book in a matter of minutes. Well, at least 15 minutes, okay? Check this out. I'm on Canva. I just use a free portion of Canva, okay? To create the inside of my book, which is called an interior, you want to go to the US letter document. Okay, this is 8.5 by 11 inch. Okay, that's like a really big activity book or coloring book. When I create an activity book or coloring book, it's always 8.5 by 11 inch. You can see right here at the top, 8.5 by 11 inch. Okay, so now we have this blank canvas. Okay, now as a general rule of thumb, when it comes to coloring books or activity books, whatever the case may be, I have at least 40 pages. At least 40 pages, okay? The bare minimum is 24, but you wanna have at least 40 pages when it comes to activity books for kids. You don't want too much because you don't wanna overwhelm the kids. You wanna have a nice, enjoyable experience for them, okay? Now again, we're gonna be dealing with puppies, okay? Just go to your upload section, and in your upload section, you can have any image you want here. I already got a bundle, a doggy bundle of images that I'm going to show you later on and how you can get it as well, okay? But you can also design your own, have a graphic designer design them for you, or get the bundle I'm going to share with you later, okay? Now, all you got to do, so you go to your computer, you drop the assets, the graphics in here. So upload, then you just click on it and it's gonna appear right here, okay? Now, you know, Canva is really intuitive, easy to use, very user-friendly. You just drag it around, put it where you want. You wanna center it, right? And you wanna take note of this pink, purplish rectangle, and you wanna increase the size and, you know, center it like that, boom. We have our first image. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing for the second one. Boom. Very good, very easy to do as you can imagine. Not difficult. There we have our second image, right? You're gonna do this 30 times, okay? With these different types of graphics, okay? And again, there's a plethora of different niches, different breeds of dogs, different types of puppies, puppies in different situations, cats versus dogs, coloring books you can create. I mean, there's so many keywords in this, okay? Here's another one just like that, boom. And again, you wanna do all, I have 30 assets here. Now, if you want to increase the number size and you have a limited amount of assets, then what I suggest is to combine them together, right? So I'll take this puppy, okay, and put it together with this puppy, okay? Like that, and you know, it's okay if they overlap. You can also flip them. Check this out, I just flipped the puppy. Now it looks like a big dog and a little dog, right? You can do that, even add more dogs. So you can have, you know, up to 100 different pages if you wanted. If you took this idea, you can also make a counting game, right? So you can put up here, go to text, and drop some text. And you can write in here, how many puppies, right? Or how many dogs? How many pups? Question mark. Maybe we want to decrease the size, a little bit too big. And maybe we want to change the color a little too bold. Let's make it dark gray. Very simple stuff. Change the font. Let's go with siphon here, just like that. How many pups? Okay, so you get the idea. The interior is the easiest part. What I want you to take note of and to put more energy and time into is the cover. Okay, here's the cover of the book. Just to, by the way, just to recap, your interior page. The size, the dimension of the page is 8.5 by 11, and you want to make sure that you don't go over this purplish rectangle here. Okay, it's kind of like a rule of thumb, a simple way to find out where the bleed is. Even though this is not the actual the bleed is a little bit more over. You want to gauge where you are on this page using this pinkish purplish rectangle. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the cover. You want to put a lot of energy into the cover because the cover is really important. It's kind of your unofficial ad for your book. That's the first thing people see. That's the first thing that draws the eyeballs on Amazon over to your listing. Really important. Okay, so here I have a blank page here. I want to share the size real quick. Okay. The size is 17.84 inch by 11.25 inch. Why, you ask? Because this is going to encompass not only the front but the back of the book. Okay, really important to remember. A really cool thing you can do here is go to Elements, and first thing you want to do, put in the line. Okay, because I want to get a clear understanding of the back and front, and you want to center this. So here's the center line. So now we know the front and back, okay? So now that we have our front and back, we're gonna add an image, right? So there's a ton of different places to get like background images. I use Pixabay, for example. I already uploaded it to my book here, to my Canva here. I'm gonna take this image and expand it so that it goes over everything, just like that, okay? A nice, colorful yet dark image, so everything else will pop. Now we have our front, we have our back of the book. We're gonna start adding some text, right? So we want to go to the text button here, click the text button there, and we want to add the title of our book. What's the title of our book? I believe it's what is it? Puppy Coloring Books for Girls ages 8 to 12. You want to make sure to add the exact keyword either in the spine of the book or in the front of the book. Okay, really important, because Amazon won't allow you to add your keyword into the title if it's not on the actual cover of your book. Okay, and they will review your cover to see if it's actually there. Okay, so here it is, puppy. You want maybe capitalize everything here. Is there an option for that here? Let me see. Let me click here. Uppercase. Yeah, let's go with uppercase, like that. Perfect. Now it's a little bit too big. We're gonna break it up a little bit. We're gonna put puppy coloring book for girls ages 8 to 12, and then increase the font size. Okay, just by expanding it. Okay, you want to play around with it a little bit, and of course we want to add. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Of course we want to add our elements here, our dogs, for example, because we're going to be working with dogs. We might want to change some of the colors here. Let's make books 4, and let's make this a bright yellow. Again, we want to draw attention to our book, like that. Go to uploads, and we're going to add some dogs. Okay, so here I have this dog, like that. Put it, center it. Okay, and we also, I'm going to show a really cool trick here, so you want to stay until the very end. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Oh, what I'm gonna do here is, check this out. I am going to take, wait, not this dog. The same exact dog, where are you? Here we go, boom. Okay, take this dog, lay him over, okay? And check this out. Okay, so it looks like it's an unfinished dog, right? So it looks like it's black and white. You saw how I did that? I took two of the same images, one with color, one without color, and I laid them on top of each other. And with Canva, I just move this up and down to my desired length, and I have this really cool effect where it looks like an incomplete dog, right? I mean, the dog is not incomplete, but the coloring is, right? Really cool. Now on the back of the book here, I'm gonna take this, I'm going to copy this, the exact same text as is, and I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna take this and put it right to the back of the book, right? What I'm gonna do here with this is write in what's inside of my book, right? So I might put in 30 puppies, 30 backgrounds, whatever you included in your book, you want to add in the back of the cover here, so that your end user will, you know, they'll be more enticed, right? Because you're going to see this on the Amazon listing. Let me shrink that a little bit, and let me put everything to the side here, like that. Okay, cool. Put this towards the top, shrink it down at the top here, and I'm gonna add some more graphics here. I'm gonna go back to my upload section, add this dog here, and do the same thing, the same little trick I did with this one over here. Here he is. Put him on top of the dog with the color, and let's go this way, like that. Okay, so here we have our cover. Very simple to do. If you want the exact same elements and graphics I used in this video, make sure you check out the link below. I'll have all 30 of these different puppies that you can use for your own books, for your own printables and pods. On top of that, I'm also going to give you my all new KDP ads training, okay? And as a bonus, right? I'm also going to give you 21 kitty cat bundle graphics plus backgrounds, okay? You also get my KDP profit case study. I'm going to show you from start to finish how I earn online with KDP. And I'm also going to give you all of my training, not only KDP, but also printables and pods, print on demand products like t-shirts. I'm going to show you how I profit online with those types of products. Again, I have case studies for those, okay? You just click on this link here and you'll be taken to this page, and you just get it, and you have all those bonuses as well. So I hope you liked this video. Let me know what you think. I urge you to get started on Amazon KDP. It's very simple to do. It's not difficult, and there's a ton of different keywords you can target, and you earn passively online, potentially, right? If you actually take action. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Be good, take care, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.